better music to accompany you singing in the shower. That's our Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. What we're talking about is a partnership between Harman Kardon and Kohler. And with us is Harman Kardon's Nick Rathod, Senior Global Product Line Manager. Thanks for joining us, Nick.
Thank you for having me here.
So tell us what it is that you've developed here with Kohler.
Kohler and Harman created a partnership in 2021 to create a great experience for consumer in a bathroom environment. So we developed a smart speaker for Kohler's shower head. It's a two variant of the speaker. One is the Bluetooth variant, and one is the smart variant, which is Amazon Alexa enabled speaker. So that is what we developed with Kohler to give a great experience to the end customers.
It sounds pretty exciting, and it also sounds like it may have presented some engineering challenges. So tell us about that.
Absolutely. You know, every customer, when they listen to the audio, they always feel like, you know, you need to get a great audio in any environment you are given. Normally, all the speakers in the market are tuned for the environments like living room, bedroom, or outdoor patios and stuff like that. We start using that into the shower speaker or into the bathroom environment. That environment is completely different because there is different noises, different challenges, like how can you cut through some of the frequencies to get the best audio quality out of it. This best sound quality can be achieved with three things. So one is the right technology, right speaker placement, and suppressing or cutting out some of the noises. In specifically talking about the Kohler shower speaker, the use case for this one was for using the audio inside the bathroom environment. It is a closed bathroom where you can listen to audio. But normally what happens is when the shower is dropping onto the walls, it creates a really high frequencies and it basically cuts down the audio which is coming out of the speaker. So we have to compensate for that using the tuning side of the business to make sure that we compensate those noises so that when user is using it, it will get the best audio quality out of it.
What about the environment in terms of the moisture, the water, sometimes the steam? Right. I mean, there are waterproof speakers, but sometimes a shower's running pretty hot, things like that. So tell me how you dealt with all that.
Absolutely. Those challenges are specifically on the microphone side. Yes, all our Kohler speaker, Moxie 2 speaker is a waterproof IPX7. But at the same time, the microphones, what we chose is microphone location was really important for this kind of product. So we put the microphones in the back of the speaker where the moisture can be less. Moisture is the biggest problem when we are in a closed room. We created a layer on the microphone, which is basically keeps microphone flooding with the moisture. So that when you are talking to a speaker, you can get the best communication out of it, or it will listen to you better. So if you have an Alexa speaker, you can talk to it, and if the
order more shampoo, perhaps.
Order more shampoo, yes, or listen to more podcast while you're in shower. So yeah, those are really challenging environments. After certain level of water temperature. There are few microphones get flooded with the moisture. So we created a microphone array so that if one microphone is going down, second microphone will start picking up as well. So we have a 3 microphone array setting in a triangular way so that it will capture the voice rightfully as well as communicate to the other end rightfully.
Very interesting. Were there some other challenges as well? I mean, you have to wonder, okay, so where does this go? Where does the speaker go in terms of, combining with the water coming out?
Absolutely. I think one of the when we started the project, one of the biggest challenge was like, what can we do into the bathroom accessory environment? There were like a lot of challenges around bathroom. So normally shower is there is a top shower, and there is a hand shower. So we decided, if the audio is not coming to your face, right? I think if the audio is not coming to your face, it will just get the directivity distributed all across, and you might not get the best sound out of it. So one of the things we decided is like, speaker should be front facing, and as well as towards the end user who is using it. That was one of the aspects when we are creating design. So that was the first challenge. So that's where we created with the Kohler, created a shower head around the speaker to give the full one unit experience rather than just a speaker. Second thing was like what kind of material we are using, because lot of times aluminum or steel or anything, if it is sitting inside the water environment, corrosion happens. So we chose a material which can be very corrosion free. We put like right coating on it so that it will not get corroded over the period of time. Also, these are the battery powered speakers. So when you are battery powered speaker, you need to have some kind of charging port open for it. So we created a kind of a point of contact so that it will not you don't have to open the product. It will be just a point of contact so that when you take it out, you can just charge it on the charging dock, which is outside, sitting outside of the shower environment. So that way it will be completely IPX7. So
and
those
how is
are
it held?
the
Is it magnetic the way it's held in there, or how is it
Yes.
held in?
Yeah. So there are 3 magnets around it on the back of the speaker, and as it's a stainless steel, it just basically goes inside and it's magnetically putting it together.
Very neat. So you just pull it out when it needs recharging, and that would be
Yeah.
I don't, after a number of hours, or
Yeah. So this is where one charge can go for 8 hours of music, up to 8 hours of music play at like 50% volume. Charging takes at least less than 2 hours to fully charge. And the best part of it, like when you are not in the shower, you can take it out and you can take it to the patio and listen to the same music, because it's a Bluetooth speaker at the end of the day. So it's a portable speaker.
and connecting via Wi-Fi in your home, I assume. Right?
So there are two variants. One is the Bluetooth, which you can connect it to your phone. And there is an Amazon version, which can be connected to your Wi-Fi, and you can talk to it and get the music, whatever music you like.
Very cool stuff. So this is arriving on the market, the newest version, and tell us what you can about pricing and availability.
Yeah, it will be available, I think pretty soon. I don't know exact dates in my head. Starting price will be $299, and it will go above based on like what kind of head you are using. And what kind of gallon, 1.7, 1.9, 2.4, what kind of size you want. It will be depending on that size, the pricing will be defined.
I understand we just saw a note that said that it is on sale now, so people will be able to find it. So it's very cool and has a lot of uses and versatility. And I guess the idea of bringing music into the shower isn't new. There have been shower radios around for a long, long time, designed maybe to hang on a hook in the shower, things like that. But I guess this allows you to stream while you shower, so to speak.
Yes. I think it also connects to, goes back to Kohler's philosophy about connected devices or connected accessory or connected home, whatever you can call it. It's basically, they call Kohler Connect. So it will be basically connecting all the accessories inside your bathroom or your kitchen or anywhere the Kohler accessories are. How can you connect that together? And this fits into their ecosystem very well.
And with Harman Kardon, I guess consumers can expect the sound quality is going to be superb.
Absolutely. When we created this product, one of the important part of this one was how can we make the sound better? And Kohler launched the first version without Harman Kardon, and we spent a lot of amount of time, acoustic engineers sitting into the bathroom or shower room for like hours, measuring what are the noises around it with the microphone in his hand, and getting all those noises and making sure that how can we compensate those noises. It took a lot of acoustic challenge on us, and making sure that we are meeting that Harman Kardon quality standard, which you get from any Harman Kardon products.
And I'm told the starting price is about $229 on this, so that's terrific. And I guess if we can make one suggestion to you for the future, that would be a karaoke microphone.
Yeah, point taken, sir. Thank you.
Terrific.
Do you want it in a bathroom environment? That's the question now.
I think it would be a big seller. Everybody's singing there anyway, right? So, Nick Rathod, thank you so much for taking the time with us.
Thank you very much.